Yeah. All right. So since we're here today, nice day. Round 3, first round, loss. Second round, I'm not gonna say anything because I don't want to jinx it. So it's 1 and a 0. That's what we'll leave it at that. Okay. So since we're gonna be doing that, I bought brakes. I may have recalled in a video maybe like 2, maybe 3 years ago. Yeah, look. Literal dust on there. So we got front pads, front rotors, rear pads, rear rotors. Yeah, we're gonna get started. So wish us luck, and we'll see you somewhere over there. It was. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, keep watching. If I haven't already mentioned it, we need 160 subscribers, so to get to 1,000, first milestone. If you're wondering why I'm wearing gardening gloves, it's because my fingers are very delicate.
But he has those drips on there.
So these are pretty bad too, as you can tell. If you know, for those other people that want to go into every detail of my car, I had a blowout on the other wheels.
What?
And
why, Ralph?
You know, because I thought it was a good idea to drive on them at full speed.
When was the last time you got tires?
I don't think I've ever gotten tires for this car. So, yeah, and here we are now with a huge problem. And these tires are not as great, but they're better than what was on there before. So we called this a temporary patch, okay? And if you have a problem with it, buy me some freaking tires.
Yeah.
Or sponsor me or something, you know? But until then, I got mouths to feed. And, yeah. Okay. Abram's the master nut buster.
Let's see here.
Abram is the master of busting nuts.
Woo! No kids, by the way, so. Come on, use those gardening gloves.
Artlist.io.
I usually don't do the brakes. I think it's usually you.
I'm recording.
I need a hammer. Oh. Mallet, maybe?
Lots of studs. Nice. Anti-seize, baby.
Oh.
Beautiful. I'm gonna get a pic. Like a light.
Here?
Yeah, just once. We'll wipe some of that off.
Here you have So now to get the pads off. Of course, disc brake front slot. I'm gonna die of laughter if this is a freaking wrong one. After all these years. Oh man, this is nice. Holy cow, this is super nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah, okay.
This is really nice. And I guess we will never know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank the Lord, baby Jesus. Clean the brake pad. I mean the pad, the rotor. Not the rotor, the caliper, whatever the hell it's called, you know what I mean?
Just so you know, guys, I paid this guy $20 to do my brakes.
Yeah. And some cerveza. And yeah, dude, that's it. That's about it.
Artlist.
Okay.
And the pistons will be like compressed and everything.
Okay.
And then we gotta take all those little pins out and stuff, like while it's on there. You know what I mean? Because we gotta pop out these pins here, these two pins with the pliers, like that, because it's on there. And then pop these pins out, take them out, and this little thing pops out. And
I told you. You're recording still?
yeah. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, where are the bolts that you had?
The bolts are back there.
Where?
Behind the.
Oh, shit.
Back there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna put it back on, right?
That's it, ready?
Artlist.io.
Okay, now we're gonna take out the. You got two needle nose pliers?
Needle nose.
Yeah?
There we go. Yeah.
Okay. Take the clips off.
Art.
That's it, just take the pins out. Got the heat shields. They look brand new. Got the heat shields off. They look pretty new, man, honestly. Like, woo. Oh, they have it connected to the thing. Oh, yeah.
Oh man, the iron remover. Holy cow.
Right side. Because you want the you're getting low indicator on the inside.
Oh yeah. I get it.
Okay. Oh, the heat shield, bro. Come on, man.
What about it?
I put it on.
Oh. That's enough for guys.
All right, so I'm gonna put grease on this end. Right here.
Artlist.io.
Okay, pads are in. Put the greases on this baby. I want no noise.
Art.
Try to get them both in. Woo.
I should look it. Oh, baby.
Just kinda grease
You
it
look
in.
like a pro at that.
Yeah, now we're gonna turn it. We can put the pin in. That one's already showing. Okay, the pin's there. That's it, baby.
That's it. It's in.
Put the pins back in. That's it. Okay.
Shit. Stop.
Here.
What are you doing there, sir?
Torquing them to 85 foot-pounds.
Man, look how nice that looks comparing to. Look at that. Oh man. Don't look at the tire. Don't look at the tire. Yeah.
What did we say?
I don't know. I'm already recording, so
Oh,
hopefully you'll
okay.
think of the top of your
Okay.
noggin.
Yeah, make sure all the bolts are back on. All the pins are in. The pads are good. No grease anywhere. We torqued the lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds. Ralph did the honors of cleaning his own wheel, so looks really good with the iron. What's it called?
Oh, yeah, the
Iron remover?
Dude,
1320?
this stuff, holy cow! I was literally in awe. It smells like
It's good.
SHIT.
Yeah, nobody said anything about the smell.
Okay, so it smells horrible, but it works phenomenal. So as long as you don't need your nose, you'll be fine. All right.
Yeah. like smelling salts. I say we're gonna do the other 3 and
Well, we're gonna this is what we're gonna do. We'll do one video just for this, and then we'll redo another video when we do the
Right.
wreck. Yeah. That way we have some content.
let's do it. Let's go. Let's do the next one.